Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today again with another delicious recipe. We are going to be making Agidi Jollof together. So if you are interested, stick around and let's make this video together. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get started. Here are some biscuit bones that I got. I've just cut them into a bite-sized pieces. I'm going to be seasoning the bones with some onions, thyme, maggi and salt. Then I will stir everything together. I'm just going to cover it. I would like to cook for about 5 minutes without adding water. So here are the vegetables I'm going to be using. I have some fresh tomato, scotch bonnet, onions and some bell pepper. So as you can see, I've blended everything together. I'm just going to steam the tomato until all the water dried up. So as you can see, my biscuit bone have been cooking for about 6 minutes. Now I'm just going to add some water to the level of the meat. I'm just going to stir everything together, then I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook for another 7 minutes. So now the biscuit bones is ready. I'm just going to set it aside. In my pot, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. I'll add some onions. I'm going to saute these onions for 1.5 minutes. So now I'll be adding the vegetables, that is the bell pepper, the tomato and all the things that I blend together. So I'll add some curry, nutmeg and some beef stock. I'm going to stir everything together. Then now I'm going to be adding the biscuit bones. I'm just going to cook everything for about 10 minutes. I'll add the beef stock. I'll cover it, I'll allow it to cook. So as you can see, our stew is cooking. So now our stew is ready. I'm just going to set it aside. It's time for us to start to make our Agidi Jollof. So here is the acamo that I have left in my house. My mother brought me this acamo from Nigeria. It's yellow and white. I just decided to mix everything together because I don't have any other one, so I just want to make use of this acamo. So I will start by mixing the acamo properly with my hands. You don't want it to be too light or too thick. So now I'm going to be pouring in my boiled water. So guys, at this point I will start by turning my Agidi Jollof very fast because I don't want to have any lumps inside my Agidi Jollof. And also you need to lower the heat. You need to know the heat. You don't want to use high heat to make this agidi jollof. If not, it will form these lumps inside, which you will not like it. So you can just see what I'm doing. Just do it like that. And now I'm going to be adding the stew. So guys, you can also use your leftover stew that you have at home. I don't have any at home. That is why I make stew. If you have any stew at home, you can just use it to make your own agidi jollof. It's good to go as well. So I'll just continue turning it. And when you are turning it, be very fast about it. So now I'll add more stew. You just need to add the stew to your own taste. When you add the stew, you can taste it. If you need more salt, you need something else, you just add anything you know you need. Just add it into it and start turning it again until you get to your desired taste. So later I'm just going to cover it. I will allow it to cook for some minutes. So guys, if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. And please guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and hit that subscribe button guys. For my old returnees, thank you for always coming back. So as you can see, I'm just going to stir it again, stir it until the agidi jollof is well cooked. I'm just going to leave it for a few minutes, then the agidi jollof is done. So guys, I'm going to be using this aluminum plate because I don't have access to that leaf that they used to wrap it. You know, Europe here is not easy for us to get all these things, most especially this period. You guys know what I'm talking about. So this is another alternative, and just have to manage what we have. So So now I'm going to be adding the biscuit bone in the middle of the agidi jollof. Then I'll leave it in my kitchen counter to cool down. It's done. So easy to make guys, and you can give this video a try and let me know how your own comes out. At this point, I'm going to leave you, and I will see you in my next video with another recipe. Ciao, bye bye.